Welcome Panda-Frog. Today we start a new build, UGears mechanical model, and it's a combination lock. So let's open it up and see what we got. Some kind of ball in here. Ball bearing maybe? I don't know. It's 34 parts. So we got one. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Well, that's disappointing. That's a wax, it's not a ball bearing. And we got only 1.5 wooden boards with pieces, so, well, might be a quick build, I don't know. Let me open it up and we will see. So this will most likely not be 12 episodes like the other builds I did, because they were much bigger. So we got the classic toothpicks here, as always. I got a bunch here also from the other builds. We got our sanding paper. And we got the wax. Last time I needed to get wax, so now we have wax, which is good. So far I'm not impressed. There might be just one sitting here. So let's see. Step 1. That's a good step to start, I would say. We need this piece. Just push it out, hopefully. Usually that works. And we need from the smaller plate. I'm actually a little disappointed because I was hoping for a nice big build again. So that's these ones, and this will be something like screws, I guess, and this one. Okay, so step 1, we have this part. Always make sure to clean it up a little. And do it with a knife or with a sandpaper. Right, so. And we need this thingy. Which is pretty loose right now, but okay. And so it was the first part was to do this. Second part is to do this. Put it in. Alright. Now we have to turn and put this one on as well. In the locked status. Okay. Now we are going to take, they're all the same pieces, push these on like this. Be careful with these little teeth, they might break off. Okay, now first piece is complete. Let's go on. And we are needing all of these. It's all one, so we don't need to really take care of the order. And now we need 4 toothpicks. Just wax them. When you have to put them through the holes, wax them. And we need to cut off. And I like to use, so I got some special pliers from 3D printing. They're great for that. I mean, you can put them through and then cut them. Might even works a little better. And then we have to fit it all on them. So make sure they're all the same way. I need a little harder that I can like push it on without pushing it on the other side. Do I have to put them all the same way? Yes, I do. They look like little turtles. Almost there. Okay, so now we got that. Now we can clip off these again. And I want to clean off the excess of wood here. Like yay. Make it more or less smooth. Good. And we will put this one on here. Notice that? Ah, we have to sand it. So they want us to put this like this, and then push it on, I guess. That looks good so far. make sure to make it send off here. Good. Now we got this piece. And I guess we are at 10 minutes. We keep the episode at 10 minutes, and I see you next time. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.